Hectic. Hectic.
Because he can't talk. Because a cat meows because that is what it likes to do. Because they can't talk.
Because they are hungry.
Because the babies need to come out. When they have full stomachs when they were a baby, they're drinking milk. That's why they have full stomachs.
Because we're tired.
Because we're tired and we will sleep, and then we need to wake up and we must wake. Because we can't stay up all night, else our eyes will burn. We sleep so we can rest for the next day. When they see kinds of animals color, they change colors and more. And then when they see a rainbow, they change to a rainbow color. When they see leaves, they change to a green color. So it can camouflage and not be found. Because that's what it does. Because they can be toxic and poisonous and dangerous. Because the spiders are scary. Because that's why we are afraid of spiders, because we don't like spiders.
Because we're scared.
Because it must be blue. Because God created the sky blue. The sky is blue because it needs to be beautiful. God.
Cape Town. Cape Town.
From the beach. It does something like when you're in trouble, then it can help you. Maybe it can spin around all day.
So you can see.
An archaeologist looks through pieces of dirt for dinosaur bones or something.
Hectic. Hectic.